Have you ever wanted to create a flashback or memory effect in your videos? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to achieve that look in Premiere Pro. Let's dive in. First, you'll need 2 clips. One of them will serve as your memory footage. Start by creating a new adjustment layer. On that adjustment layer, apply 2 effects, black and white and Gaussian blur. Set the blur amount to around 130 and make sure to check Repeat Edge Pixels. Next, add an ellipse mask to the adjustment layer. Personally, I like to position the mask so it follows the edges of the frame. Feel free to adjust the size based on your preference. Then, check Inverted. This way, the blur effect will only appear around the corners of your frame. Now, adjust the feather setting to soften the edges for a smoother transition. Finally, lower the opacity of the adjustment layer to reduce the intensity of the effect. This gives it a softer, more faded memory look. And that's it. You've just created a classic memory effect. For an even smoother result, you can also add a transition between your 2 clips. If you want to learn more editing techniques, come check out my channel.